In 2026, the SUV market is expected to reach new heights, and Japanese automakers are leading the charge with vehicles that blend reliability, technology, and style. From luxury beasts to eco-friendly hybrids, these SUVs have something for everyone. Whether you're conquering rugged mountains, navigating city streets, or planning epic weekend getaways, today we're counting down 6 Japanese SUVs that are set to dominate the market in 2026. Stay tuned, because some of these models will surprise you. And if you're a car enthusiast, you won't want to miss a single one of them. Welcome back to channel where we dive deep into the world's most exciting vehicles. If you love cars, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights on the vehicles shaping the future. Now let's get started with our list of the 6 Japanese SUVs that are going to dominate the market in 2026. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series. Starting off at number 6 is the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series. For decades, the Land Cruiser has been a symbol of durability, reliability, and unmatched off-road capability. It's a vehicle that can handle the harshest terrains on the planet, from rocky mountain trails to scorching desert dunes. The 2026 model introduces a more efficient hybrid powertrain, giving drivers the perfect combination of power and fuel economy. Toyota has also upgraded the suspension system, improving ride comfort without sacrificing ruggedness. Advanced off-road technology, such as multi-terrain select and crawl control, ensures that even the toughest paths are navigable with confidence. Interior-wise, the Land Cruiser 300 has moved into a new era of luxury. Plush leather seats, advanced infotainment systems, and a panoramic sunroof make this SUV a comfortable home on wheels. For families, adventurers, and off-road enthusiasts, this vehicle is simply unmatched. Fun fact: the Land Cruiser undergoes some of the most grueling durability tests in the automotive industry, including extreme heat, cold, and high-altitude trials. That's why it's renowned as nearly indestructible. With its blend of rugged adventure and refined comfort, the Land Cruiser 300 continues to set the benchmark for premium off-road SUVs. Number 2. Nissan Patrol. Next up at number 5 is the Nissan Patrol, a true powerhouse of Japanese engineering. Known for its muscular design and V8 engine, the Patrol delivers breathtaking torque and acceleration, making it perfect for both city driving and off-road adventures. The 2026 Patrol is expected to feature enhanced driver assist systems, improved fuel efficiency, and a luxury-oriented cabin. Nissan has also worked on refining the suspension for smoother rides even when fully loaded, ensuring that long journeys remain comfortable. Fun fact: the Patrol has been the favorite SUV for desert adventurers in the Middle East for over 70 years, where its reliability and off-road capability have been tested time and again in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Inside, the Patrol offers a luxurious experience with spacious seating, advanced infotainment, and high-quality materials throughout. It's a vehicle that combines power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. A true all-rounder. If you're seeking an SUV that combines adventure-ready capability with premium luxury, the Nissan Patrol is definitely a model to watch in 2026. Number 3. Lexus LX 800. At number 4, we have the Lexus LX 800, a vehicle that takes luxury to the next level while maintaining legendary toughness. Built on the same platform as the Land Cruiser, the LX 800 inherits off-road prowess but wraps it in a package that screams sophistication. For 2026, Lexus has introduced next-gen infotainment systems, semi-autonomous driving capabilities, and a powerful V6 hybrid engine. This combination allows drivers to experience both performance and efficiency without compromise. The interior is a masterclass in comfort and luxury, with features such as ventilated seats, premium leather upholstery, customizable ambient lighting, and advanced climate control. Safety is also at the forefront, with cutting-edge driver assist technologies that enhance confidence on every drive. Fun fact: the LX has often been referred to as the off-road Rolls-Royce because of its combination of luxury, durability, and performance. The LX 800 isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who want a full-size luxury SUV capable of conquering rugged terrain while offering a first-class experience at every turn. Number 4. Honda CR-V 2026. Moving into the midsize segment, number 3 on our list is the Honda CR-V 2026. The CR-V has long been one of the world's best-selling SUVs, thanks to its blend of reliability, efficiency, and practicality. The 2026 model continues this legacy while introducing hybrid powertrains, smarter safety features, and improved connectivity options. This compact SUV is perfect for urban commuting, small families, or anyone who wants a reliable vehicle that doesn't compromise on style. Its aerodynamic design, sleek lines, and modern aesthetics make it one of the most attractive options in its class. Fun fact, the CR-V has been a global bestseller for over 25 years, and with 2026 updates, it looks set to continue dominating the compact SUV market. Inside, the CR-V is practical yet refined. Features include a spacious cabin, user-friendly infotainment system, and versatile cargo space, perfect for road trips, groceries, or weekend adventures. Number 5. Mitsubishi Outlander 2026. Coming in at number 2 is the Mitsubishi Outlander 2026. With a fresh plug-in hybrid option, the Outlander combines eco-conscious performance with versatility and style. This SUV is perfect for families, city commuters, and adventure enthusiasts alike. The plug-in hybrid system allows for around 45 kilometers of pure electric driving, ideal for daily commutes or short trips while reducing carbon emissions. Beyond that, the Outlander features advanced safety systems, a refreshed exterior design, and a comfortable, tech-filled interior. Fun fact, Mitsubishi has a long history of building rugged, reliable vehicles for both urban and off-road use, making the Outlander a trusted choice worldwide. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring countryside trails, the 2026 Outlander is designed to handle it all while keeping passengers comfortable and connected. Number 6. Toyota RAV4 Prime. And finally, at number 1, the SUV that's most likely to dominate the market in 2026, the Toyota RAV4 Prime. This plug-in hybrid offers impressive acceleration, going from 0-100 km/h in just 6 seconds, making it one of the quickest RAV4 models ever built. Its compact size makes it ideal for city driving, but it's powerful enough for long-distance journeys and weekend adventures. The 2026 RAV4 Prime comes with advanced infotainment, smart driver assist systems, and futuristic interior features. It's designed for tech-savvy drivers who want efficiency without sacrificing performance. Fun fact, the RAV4 Prime is Toyota's most powerful RAV4 to date, blending practicality, performance, and eco-conscious technology in one impressive package. Let's quickly compare all 6 Japanese SUVs set to dominate 2026. Land Cruiser 300, tough, reliable off-road king. Nissan Patrol, luxury, power, adventure-ready. Lexus LX 800, premium, stylish, semi-autonomous. Honda CR-V, compact, efficient, city-friendly. Mitsubishi Outlander, hybrid, versatile, eco-conscious. Toyota RAV4 Prime, powerful, tech-savvy, market dominator. Whether you're looking for rugged adventure, eco-friendly commuting, or full-on luxury, Japanese automakers have built SUVs that cater to every lifestyle. 2026 is shaping up to be an exciting year for SUV enthusiasts, with innovation, performance, and technology reaching new heights. So there you have it, 6 Japanese SUVs set to dominate the market in 2026. Which one would you take home? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.